Goga's struggling to learn this one thing, so we wrote it out on a paper, and he still can't even read it.
Go, one more time.
Stop
moving.
It's
there, right? You're just reading it. You don't know how to read too? That's why I said no more. No more. No more.
Go on. Stop moving.
You don't have to learn it, bro. You just have to read the words.
We just want you to read it.
Like that. That's read it. You don't have to learn it yet. Just
Again.
Just don't memorize it. Just read it now. What?
One of your mortals.
Nifakira, please.
Wait a
You're
minute.
annoying. Yeah, shoot it. Move, Niva.
Yo, you are gonna make a hit.
I don't understand the reason why I always say stop the middle of the
The iPod.
high five.
What's my pepper?
Stop the laptop med mig. Jeg fikk komme i går med. Ja, jeg går feil.